me again. Alright. I've been posting a lot on YouTube. And today, I've been posting the best ever thing. I'm staring at something else. 1, 2, annoying orange. 3, 4, stick figures on crack. 5, 6, kitty fight. 7, 8, stick figures on poop. 9, 10. Last one's next. 11, 12. What else is on YouTube? That's my favorite. Going under the pool. See you later, alligator. Oh, and also YouTube poop. YouTube, and also YouTube poop. Wherever there's spaghetti, they pinch you back.